Hey YouTube family, it's me Gio from Robinhood Investing with Gio. Just a friendly reminder, if you enjoy content that is free, educational, and informative, and not hidden behind a paywall, consider subscribing to the channel. Alright everyone, let's get into this. Hey YouTube family, welcome back. So today, was a very massive day. I would say it's definitely in the top 10 when it comes to gains on a single day. Haven't had a day like this in probably a couple of months, but it was a nice day. Let's see how we did for the day. As we can see for the day, we finished about 5.59% up. For the week, it's about a little bit over 10%. The 1 month chart is about 12%. We're about 75% for the 3 month chart. And so far for the year, 128.17. This is another all-time high. It seems like we break the all-time high every day, but whatever, it's not a big deal. Just as quickly as money comes, guys, that's how quickly it can go too. So let's see how our calls did. Dropbox, finally a green day for Dropbox. It's been struggling. This is my call option on Dropbox. It doesn't expire until about a little bit over 2 years. So currently we're up about 27.24. Tesla is on a rampage. Massive headlines today, guys, in case you don't know about Tesla. As far as Elon Musk goes, he's officially the richest man in the world. He surpasses Jeff Bezos as the highest net worth of any individual in the world, which is absolutely incredible. Sure, this added to the stock value overall. And yeah, just congratulations to Elon Musk. What a great accomplishment. I honestly didn't think anyone was ever going to catch Bezos, but look at Elon did it. Amazing. But yeah, so far for Tesla, we're up about 137.96%. NEO, I'm very bullish on NEO. As I mentioned before, I bought 25 shares of NEO last week. I knew it was going to have a nice little run. Just a FYI for you guys, you need to be on the lookout. On Saturday is NEO Day, another major catalyst for NEO. Could cause the stock to surge, but like anything, it could go down too. So just be on the lookout for that Saturday, NEO Day, for all NEO investors. So far, we're up about 12.24% on NEO. Space has been recovering nicely. We're up about 4% for the day, and overall we're up 32.83% on space. MP Materials back up to $30. That's cool to see. So far for MP Materials, we're up about 9.18%. Palantir, nice little run today for Palantir. I mentioned to you guys yesterday during all the mayhem that was happening, Palantir dipped a little bit, and I bought a few more shares. I bought 5 shares yesterday. So far, our total shares are about 30, and average cost is 24.50. And we're finally in the green. We're up about 2% on Palantir. Apex Technologies, per usual. Apex, man. Honestly, if this was my main stock, I'd be pretty pissed off right now. We've been missing. If this was my main holding, because this thing has been consolidating like crazy, hovering around $14 to $16 for it seems like for months now. And yeah, it's a small percentage of my portfolio. I mentioned to you guys that I will sell this in a couple of months if it doesn't move, either to the downside or the upside. I don't like watching stocks that are flat. If I want to have a flat stock, I'll just invest in AT&T. But yeah, so far we're up about 0.62. See, BFT, a nice little gain again today. BFT, if you guys don't know, will be merging with PaySafe, digital, basically a digital wallet, just like PayPal and also Square. So far, we're up about 12.59%. And INSEEGO finished in the green today. INSEEGO's been trading off for a week now, week plus. It's nice to see them finally be in the green. Overall, we're up 1.71% on INSEEGO. I have a couple of videos on INSEEGO that I put on my channel in case you guys want to check them out, about how I think this is a big play in 2021. And yeah, you guys check out the video if you're interested. Let's see. ARKG, massive day for ARKG. I posted a video today on ARKG. You guys can check it out on the channel. I have massive belief in ARKG that's going to do massive things in the next 5 years. You guys should really check out the video. It's very fascinating and interesting, very informative, and very educational. But yeah, this is my I believe it's just my second largest holding, I want to say. I think it is, behind Tesla. And yeah, so far on ARKG, we're up about 10%. And Golden Nugget Online Gaming, I think based on the elections, this is my personal opinion. None of this is financial advice. But based on the outcomes of the Senate race in Georgia and based on the elections, there's a couple of three sectors that I think could potentially boom. One of them would be the EV sector. As you guys can see, NIO and Tesla is selling much higher right now. Obviously, NIO being China, there won't be as much resistance this once Biden takes over. I believe NIO is EV and China, so it's going to be a double positive right there because Biden has a pretty good ties to China. But another one that I think is going to be a big thing is online gaming. I think after this pandemic, we need the government needs sources to tax. They need a lot more taxes to come into the country, and there's a couple of things they could tax that are not legalized around the country right now. One of them is cannabis, which is a stock that I might buy later on, but the other one I think is online gambling. What better way for the government to get back on its feet than to start taxing online gambling? And I think this is something that could do very, very well in 2021 and beyond. So far we're up about 4.3% on Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Let me see, you got Skills. I bought this one early in the week. Skills, if you guys don't know, it's like competitive mobile gaming. And it's something that a stock that Kathy Wood put in her portfolio early in the week. Anytime Kathy Wood does something, everyone looks. I mean, I didn't put a whole large sum in it, but I'm bullish on just overall mobile online competitive gaming. Gaming in general is like a big thing, and mobile gaming is the biggest gaming there is in China and Japan. So I think this stock has a lot of room to grow in the future. So for right now, we're about 1% up on Skills. Next one up is BNGO. BNGO start off in the green and then kind of like trade off after hours. This one, I guys told you that a friend told me about to invest in this one. Again, I didn't have tremendous conviction, but just wanted to see if he was right in this case. I would never have invested this otherwise. But yeah, there's a potential of this could grow to be something big, or it could go to zero. This guy, I think, in my opinion, this could go to $10, or this can go to zero. It's very speculative play, and for that reason, it's only less than 1% of my portfolio. And yeah, BNGO has tremendous potential, but again, you guys, if you invest in this, if you put a lot of your portfolio in this, just know that it is a high risk play. So for right now, we're hanging on to this, and we're down 12.56% on BNGO. And Phil. So if you guys don't know about Form Merger 3, these are the guys that make the Amazon trucks for Amazon. And I had mentioned yesterday, I think that Amazon is just a company that's going to keep growing and just expanding overall. As they keep expanding, they're going to need more delivery trucks. And I think Form Merger 3 is going to have a tremendous business in 2021 and beyond. So I invested in Form Merger 3. Currently, we're up about 2.65. And today's newest play is Bloom Energy. If you guys don't know about Bloom Energy, this is another play that I think is going to do great in the next 2 years, at least, that the Democrats have control of the Senate, House of Representatives, and also the presidency. I think solar energy is going to be huge, huge, huge. I think Bloom Energy has tremendous growth ahead of it. Again, this is my opinion. You guys should do your own research. But I think this is going to be a monster play. Solar energy, online gambling, cannabis, and EVs, I think are going to be huge plays in 2021. So I got a good chunk of my portfolio in there. And today we bought about 1683, about 50 shares of Bloom. So we're in this for at least 2 years. And let's see, the Dogecoin. Yeah, Doge, like I said, I mentioned to you guys that I traded off my crappy penny stock that I had before, and I said, you know what, if I want to invest $100, I'm just going to invest it in Doge. This thing can go to zero, or this thing can go to $1,000 in overnight. So it's very speculative. It's definitely a pump and dump kind of coin. I mean, if it goes to 2 cents, I'll double my profit. But yeah, it's something just to look at while I'm sleeping. And so far we're down 11.77 on Doge. And my last play, the Bitcoin. If you guys, anyone that's been following my channel for any kind of considerable time, you know that I've been talking about Bitcoin before all these big YouTubers got on the train and like started pumping it or talking about it. How, yeah, should you invest in Bitcoin? Should not? I've been telling people when this thing was around 18K that this thing is gonna blow up, that everyone should not miss the train. You guys could check my channel. I have so many videos on Bitcoin. It's not someone that's just pumping and dumping the coin. I have legit information that's very informative, educational for people out there. And yeah, so far, Bitcoin, we're up about 63.57%. And yeah, it's about 12.65 in my portfolio. And this thing, a couple of times today, touched 40K. That's probably one of the breaking headlines in the finance world today, that Bitcoin hit 40K. But yeah, I mean, again, I think this is going to be huge. There's still massive room for growth, and we'll see how it goes. All right, and that's the portfolio for the day. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my portfolio review for the day. If you did, consider subscribing, liking, commenting. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.